In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MetaQuest 3S to Internet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up Wi-Fi on your MetaQuest 3S headset. Keep in mind that the same general instructions can also work for the MetaQuest 3 and the MetaQuest 2. So, power on the headset and go into the settings. You will find the bar available at the bottom of your screen usually. And one of the options here should be Wi-Fi. So go into the Wi-Fi options inside of the settings. First, make sure that Wi-Fi has been enabled. With Wi-Fi enabled, it is going to look for nearby networks, and you will see all of them here. You will be able to check if they are password protected and the current range of the network. So the more bars you see, the closer you are to the source of the signal. So find a specific network that you would like to connect into and choose the connect option at the right side of it. Once you choose connect, you will have to input a password if it is password protected. After that is done, the network will be saved, so it is going to be transferred into My Networks. You can have a bunch of networks registered and freely swap between them, and anytime that you walk in range of a network, it is going to be connected to it automatically. If there are multiple networks saved, it will usually prioritize the one with the better signal. It is simple to set up, and all that you need is to enable Wi-Fi from the settings and choose your network from here. If it is not appearing on the list of available networks, try restarting Wi-Fi, restart your device, and make sure that you go extremely close to the source of that signal. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing because as you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.